Ready to swim? Let's find out how much it costs to build a new swimming pool. Hey, it's Chris with Fixer.com. We break down the cost to fix up your home so you don't have to stress. Today, we're gonna get ready for the summer and talk about how much it costs to build a new swimming pool. That's right, it's summertime and it's time for barbecues, outdoor parties, and best of all, time to go for a swim. Some low-end, above-ground swimming pools can cost as little as $2,000, and some high-end, in-ground pools can cost as much as $200,000. But the average swimming pool usually costs somewhere around $70,000. Above-ground pools are the least expensive type, costing between $2,000 and $22,000 after installation. These costs mostly depend on the materials and the features you choose, like decks and stairs. While they might not look as attractive as in-ground pools and also have size limitations, they're less expensive and easier to install. In-ground pools are more common and expensive, but they're also very aesthetically pleasing and have way more features like diving boards and slides. Vinyl swimming pools are the least expensive option, costing between $38,000 and $70,000 after installation. Although their initial cost is lower than other materials, vinyl liners cost between $5,000 and $7,000 and need to be replaced every 7 to 9 years. Fiberglass swimming pools are somewhere in the middle, costing between $50,000 and $95,000 after the installation. And lastly, we have concrete in-ground swimming pools. Concrete pools are the most expensive option, costing between $58,000 and $100,000 after installation. Another cost factor to consider is any equipment like pumps, filters, and heaters, which can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on what you add. And perhaps the most important aspect of building a new swimming pool is installing the decking. Decks provide non-slip areas, protect your landscaping, and enhance the surrounding area. Average cost for decks cost between $5,000 and $20,000 after installation. If you're looking to cool off or entertain guests this summer, building a new swimming pool is an exciting new addition to your home and could increase the value overall. There's so many ways to customize your pool, down to the type, size, shape, and additional features. We're always here to help you decide what's right for you. Click the link below for a full cost guide and for an estimate from local contractors in your area. See you next time.